Hi everyone, this is Chris Red here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, home of the premium pre-owned superstore. Today we're going to talk about one of our pre-owned units. So we are a leisure travel dealer here in Sandy, Oregon. We specialize in pre-owned though at Johnson RV. So this is a 2007 leisure travel Unity Murphy bed. A great floor plan, has a single slide, large bathroom, and this one, the option, they did put the recliners, the Leisure Lounge Plus. So we will look at all that in a minute, but I want to walk around the outside of this Unity, kind of show it to you here, and then we'll go inside and take a look at the floor plan here, okay? So this is 2017, built on the Mercedes-Benz chassis, okay? You're going to get about 16 to 18 miles per gallon on this wonderful unit. It does have power mirrors here. You do have a nice little light that when you open the door here and climb in, you'll have a little light so you can use that little entry step. You have a basically like a full-length Carefree awning. It is power, so we'll go out there, and it does have an LED light strip on there so you can kind of light up your living area here. A couple of the storage bins here, so I'm going to open this up for you here to show you. You have an inverter, and then you have a line storage bin. So great thing about this is you're going to have you have your generator located here. You have outdoor storage. You have a little porch light here. So this is a great little living space, and then you can store your things in here, and you do have a plug-in. So if you want to bring a TV along with you to sit outside or something like that. Leisure travel is, you have 5 coats of paint on this RV. So there's 3 coats of color and then 2 clear. So this is meant to be outdoors. The color is going to look like this for a long time. This is the outdoor storage bin, plenty big for golf clubs or things that you might be traveling with. That's just a shore power cord and a nice little kind of a pantry shelves there. This is a little exterior storage bin here. You do have a quick disconnect for barbecue, like your propane hookups right there, and then this is your generator. So this coach here is an LP generator. So this is a propane generator. Being a 2017, they redesigned it in about 15.5. So you have, it used to be a 1-piece mast, but now it's a 2-piece mast. So this is removable. If you were to get in a fender bender, you can break, that could just be replaced without replacing the whole rear end. And then you have a built-in backup camera there. It does have a 5,000-pound towing capacity on this RV. Walking around to the driver's side of the coach, it has one single slide, and it does have a slide topper on there. So here in the Pacific Northwest, we have pine needles, pine cones, things like that. So it's nice that you don't have to get up there and sweep that off, because it does have a slide topper. And then this area here, this is going to be where your outdoor shower is. It's going to be where you're going to hold your dump tank. This is your propane fill at the gas station. So your winterizing area and your propane shutoff switch. So everything's basically right there. You don't have to crawl under there. And then in the single slide area, you have 2 exterior storage bins, so which are great. In previous models, they used to have an electric bed, and then you lost the storage. This never really opened up. But since this is a newer model here, you're going to have 2 storage bins identical right there. And then this is just where you're going to put your dump sewer hose. So we'll give you all new hoses and then water hoses, everything that you need to go camping like it's brand new. We'll give you that here at Johnson RV. And then it is diesel, so when you open your driver door, your diesel fuel, you fill it up right here, okay? So let's walk inside and take a look at. Hi everyone, Chris Red again. We are inside this 2017 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed. This has the Leisure Lounge Plus option. It has about 18,000 or maybe 18,400 miles on it. So not a lot of miles on this coach. It's built on the Mercedes-Benz chassis. If you want to take a look here at the cab area, it looks like the previous owner might have put like a Kenwood deck in there. So it's a little aftermarket deck. So it probably has GPS, Bluetooth capabilities. So a nice little feature. This also has solar panels on the roof. So the solar panel control is located here. Up on the, that's just the controller there, so you can see what's coming in and what's going out. So as you can see, this is the cherry cabinetry, which is a very, I think, a timeless feel. It's not too dark and it's not too light. It's like a happy medium, so you can spend a little bit of time there and not be, hey, this feels a little claustrophobic, because they're only about a 25-foot RV here. So this is your control panel. So it does have equalizer systems. This is a Truma hot water heater control, all your tank readouts. It does have a propane generator with only 52 hours on it, so it hasn't been dry camped in too much here, okay? Now the setup is a Leisure Lounge Plus. So this is an option you can get from Leisure Travel. It's a nice recliner setup here. I'm going to show you. They do have nice armrests on both sides. This is a little cocktail table, and then so you can turn these in 2 different seating positions. But if you turn the chairs this direction, then this is what will come down for your dinette. So if you turn the chairs facing each other, that's going to be your dinette. And then you take these cushions off, lay them down, and you have a nice residential style bed that will come down here. And if you like this RV and you want to see that, what you can do is just call me. My name's Chris Red at Johnson RV, and I can kind of show you that. I don't want to take your time in the video today. But that's really nice. That's a really nice feature. And then also there is recliners, so I'm going to show you that. So if you're a little taller, this is a good side to sit on. If you're a little shorter, that's a good size, because you don't see it right now, but the TV is behind this screen here. And if you want to pop that up, so if you're in bed watching it or even here, you can just pull the little button and your television comes out. And when you're not watching TV, you have a nice counter space and a nice viewing window if you're parked along the side of a river or something like that. That's very nice. These are storage bins. And there's quite a bit here. I mean, a lot of smaller RVs like this kind of lack storage, but Leisure Travel does a really nice job with their curved cabinetry, so it feels more spacious in here, but you have a lot of storage. And then inside your kitchen area, so you have a nice big deep stainless steel sink here. This is going to be your garbage area, so you can put there's a little garbage can in there, so you can just throw your scraps right there before you take them out. And then you have a 2-burner stove with a counter extension, okay? And then you have 4 drawers going down, and then some more storage spots in the back here. So you do have a convection microwave here, and you have a double fridge here, a fridge and freezer separate, so it's not all connected in one. And then you have a great pantry. Here's the pull out there for the pantry. Okay, stepping into the back, half the reason why someone loves this RV is the residential sleeping area, and then the shower. I'm just gonna open that up right now so you can see how large the shower is. Nice lighting in there, a great big skylight so you can stand inside there. And then the big deal is having room to wash yourself. So you see I'm 6 foot and I have a lot of room to go, and my arms can move, so I can actually take a decent shower and feel comfortable. And then there's a lot of space in here to get dressed and so forth. So I'm going to open up the closet so you can see you have a nice hanging closet. You have 2 drawers below that, and then this is on top of and this right here is on top of the outdoor storage. So you have another little cubby space right there. Okay, and then here you have, open that up, a little medicine cabinet here, so you can store all your goodies when you're traveling down the road. But my name is Chris Red. I work at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, and we are inside this 2017 Unity Murphy bed with Leisure Lounge Plus. If you have any questions about the Leisure Travel product or this one in particular, please give me a call. My name is Chris Red at Johnson RV. Thanks again for watching my video.